Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. My name is Javed IQBAL, and I come from the beautiful northern region of Pakistan, District Bahaur. For the past 3 years, I've been working hard here in Saudi Arabia. Between work, responsibilities, and the daily grind, it's not easy to find time. But still, I hold on tightly to a dream that's lived in my heart since childhood. The dream of becoming a YouTuber. Even after a long day of labor, I push myself to create vlogs. Because I believe that one day I'll make content that reaches your hearts. That I'll become a YouTuber my people can be proud of. I don't know if you enjoy my videos yet, but one thing I can promise you, I won't give up. I'll keep improving, keep learning, and keep bringing you better and better content. Now the choice is yours. Will you help turn this zero into a hero? Your love and support can turn my dream into reality. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Sending love and prayers to all of you. May Allah be with us all. Allah Hafiz.